Example 1. A block of mass m is kept on a rough horizontal floor. Discuss the motion and frictional force acting on the body as a horizontal applied force increases from 0 to 10 newtons. Mu s is equal to 0.6 and mu k is equal to 0.5. Mass is equal to 1 kg and acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square. So let us look into this. So there was a body of mass 1 kg which is placed on a rough horizontal surface where mu s is 0.6 and mu k is 0.5, and we are applying a force which is variable from 0 to 10 newtons. So we need to discuss the motion. So let us calculate the maximum static friction. Fms is equal to mu into n. Here its own weight will act downward, that is mg, and normal will act upward, so n is equal to ng. So mu mg will be the maximum static friction. So 0.6 into 1 into 10. So maximum static friction or limiting friction will be 6 newtons. What does it mean? So if our force reaches to 6 newtons, the body will not move. So when the force reaches to 6 newtons, the body is about to start its motion. But what happens if force increases more than 6 newtons? So the body will comes into motion. That time the kinetic friction will play a role. So let us calculate the kinetic friction, that is also mu into n, but this is mu k. So which is 0.5 into 10, which is 5 newtons. So once the body comes into motion, the frictional force which acts on the body will be 5 newtons. Example, if my force is 8 newtons, so what will happen? So my force minus kinetic friction will be equal to mass times acceleration. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 1 into A, so acceleration will be 3. If my force is 10 newtons, what will happen? 10 minus 5 is equal to 1 into A, so acceleration will be 5 meter per second square. So once our applied force reaches to 6 newtons, the body will start about to move, and once it is exceeds 6 newton, the body comes into acceleration. That time the frictional force will be 5 newtons only. So once the body comes into motion, only we need to consider kinetic friction, not the static friction.